Colombia is a sovereign state situated in South America. It has been a member of the United Nations since the 5th of November 1945 and is party to a variety of international agreements concerning human rights. It also has a series of domestic laws concerning the protection of human rights. However, Colombia's human rights record often contradicts directly with the laws and agreements to which it is bound. Colombia was referred to as the country with the worst human rights record in the Western Hemisphere by HRW in 2007. The same was said of Guatemala in 1998, as well as Cuba in 2012 and Venezuela today. In the UK Foreign Office Annual Human Rights Report for 2010, Colombia features as one of 20 countries of concern. 2 international treaties concerning human rights were established by the United Nations in 1966. The International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights with its 2 optional protocols and the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights. These 2 treaties, together with the Universal Declaration on Human Rights, make up the International Bill of Human Rights. Colombia signed both treaties in 1966. With their ratification being completed in October 1969. In 1961, Colombia ratified the 4 Geneva Conventions of 1949 that form the basis of international humanitarian law, and the 2 additional protocols of 1977 were ratified in 1993 and 1995, respectively. As of September 2011, Colombia had not signed up to the 3rd additional protocol of 2005. As well as detailing the right of Colombian citizens to fundamental rights. The Constitution mentions the right to economic, social and cultural rights, as well as collective and environmental rights. It recognizes special rights for indigenous populations. It allows for citizens to take direct legal action against the state with a right to what is known as the tutela. It creates the Constitutional Court. And it determines the existence of posts for human rights ombudsman. The Constitution of 1991 allows, in theory at least, for the human rights of Colombia's citizens to be protected under national constitutional law. As reported by the National and International Campaign for the Right to Defend Human Rights, and as documented regularly in reports by leading human rights organizations. In 2010, according to the Colombian-based human rights organization Somos Defensores, at least 174 acts of aggression towards human rights defenders were committed. This included 32 murders and 109 death threats. As Human Rights First reports, attacks against human rights defenders include also smear campaigns and break-ins, threatening and omnipresent surveillance, physical assaults, kidnapping, violence directed toward family members, and assassination attempts. The Colombian government has a special protection program that seeks to protect those under threat. The Colombian embassy in Washington states that the protection program offers long-term services based on specific needs of vulnerable individuals and groups. In spite of this, the figures for the first semester of 2011 showed an increase of 126% in acts of aggressions committed against human rights defenders from 2010. Paramilitary groups were held responsible in 59% of the cases. State security forces were held responsible for 10% and the guerrilla groups 2%. Colombian officials have also been widely implicated in stigmatizing the work of human rights defenders, often making unfounded accusations linking them to guerrilla groups. Justice for Colombia reports that between August 2010 and June 2011, there were 104 murders with direct ramifications for human rights concerns in Colombia. Those murdered included human rights defenders, trade unionists and community leaders. On average, according to these figures, 1 murder took place every 3 days. Human rights defenders find little protection in the Colombian justice system. 784 human rights defenders were threatened, attacked or murdered between 2002 and 2009. There has been a conviction in only 10 of these cases. Colombia is widely referred to as the most dangerous country in the world to be a trade unionist. The 2011 annual survey of violation of trade union rights published by the International Trade Union Confederation reports that 49 trade unionists were killed in Colombia in 2010. More than in the rest of the world put together. According to government figures, 37 unionists were murdered. Between January and August 2011, 19 trade unionists have been reported killed. The ITUC reports that between 2000 and 2010, Colombia has accounted for 63.12% of trade unionists murdered globally. According to Human Rights Watch and Justice for Colombia, most of these murders are attributed to right-wing paramilitaries, whilst some are directly attributed to state forces. Amnesty International reported in 2007 that for cases in which the perpetrator was known, paramilitaries were responsible for 49% of the attacks against trade unionists. State 4.